Disclaimer. This information is not an invitation to subvert the IRS and engage in illegal behavior. Now that I've covered my rear end, let's get into it.
You definitely don't want to mess with the IRS. It's not shocking that this kind of compounding set of stressors and anxieties is leading to some of that avoidant behavior.
Courtney Lev is a consumer financial advocate with Credit Karma. The company released this survey showing because of DOGE cuts, 24% of Americans are less concerned about making a mistake on their tax return this year. 46% are worried they'll even get their refund, and 17% of millennials saying they might not file their return at all because they think there's a lesser chance they'll get audited. Alev says that last option shouldn't even be a consideration.
You're going to potentially face penalties for failing to file, failing to pay your bill if you owe a tax balance this year. In addition to any penalties, if you do owe a balance, the IRS will also charge you interest on any tax that you don't pay.
The latest IRS data shows compared to this time last year, there have been just under 2% fewer returns and nearly 1.5% fewer processed returns. It's the largest decrease in the number of returns since March 18th of 2022, when IRS data shows it saw a 5.1% dip from the previous year. In a call with Scripps News, an IRS spokesperson did not give a reason for the decrease. Still, according to Alev, it's always better to be safe than sorry.
There's really no outrunning the IRS, and the first thing you want to do is understand the options available to you, like a repayment plan, versus getting yourself into the situation where you might be in the place where you need to deal with garnishment.
Dan Grossman, Scripps News Group, Denver.